Hey guys, so today I'm going to be playing MSP, and yeah, sorry I haven't played in a while. It's because I got out of school, my laptop, I had a school laptop, and it got taken back because it's a school laptop. So I didn't I've had this laptop for a while now. I just didn't know that I could record on it, so I gave it a try today because I really want to record. So it worked, and now I'm here and I've been recording. I'm going to be recording Fridays and Mondays. So yeah, and maybe Wednesdays. So stay tuned for that. Okay, enough of me talking. Let's get into the video. So it's just now logging in. Waiting. Okay. So as you can see, what's that? This is my character, and as you can see, I have a color theme on my character. Anyways, I want to share with you this. As you can see, I did online. So yeah, let's just show you what they gave you. So this is what it gives you, except for the shoe. It gives you hair, this two-piece dress, and this little turtle in a bag. I just finished mine yesterday because I had to wait for them all to unlock. And yeah. Okay, moving on. We are moving on to... Oh, check out my new collection. As you see, I've fallen in love with camo. I've also fallen in love with these pinks and blue. Is that true? But 8 of them. So yeah. Anyways. I was coming on here to do something. Okay, I remember now. So I have a hard time picking outfits to wear. So actually, okay. But I'm gonna start wearing other people. Choices. So if you ever want a shout out and me to wear your outfit, just let me know down below that you've made me an outfit, because I really don't check it very often. But I'm gonna make a whole week outfit plan, so I'm gonna start with Monday. What would I wear on a Monday? It's so simple when you go on Sunday. I mean a Monday. Wow, Sunday. I didn't do a short, so. There you go. Well, just me. I don't wear shoes around the house, but this isn't my house. So where are you going, sleeper? How do I have for slippers? Oh no, black duckies. And just easy, messy brain. Wait, this will be Sunday. Yeah, you're fine. Hello. Okay, so as you can see, I just went ahead and did the rest. So here's Monday. Here's Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. As you can see, I'm wearing it. Friday. Saturday. And I already showed you guys something. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and hit the like button. But we're gonna challenge. You need to spin your phone and then tap with your finger and see if you can hit the subscribe button, like button in 3 seconds. And comment down below if you can do it. Okay, bye.